Hello everyone, on this video we're going to install Google Ads Conversion Tracking with Google Tag Manager. What's up, Javier here, and welcome to Everlearn Tutorials, the best way to become a digital expert. If you want to send your conversion to Google Ads for reporting and to see the performance of your campaigns, you need to create first the conversion in Google Ads. So let's go to the conversion section. Press New button, and here you will see different types of conversion, but we are mainly interested in the website conversion. You need to name the conversion like lead or purchase in case you have an e-commerce, but in my demo site I will generate leads, so leads will be in the name. Then select the type of conversion you are sending, in my case lead. Assign the value for each conversion. I suggest you always use one, even if the conversion is not a sale. For me, each conversion will be $5. Then you need to decide if you want to count every conversion or just one per click, like a unique conversion. If someone clicks and you make 3 purchases, it will count 3 conversions with the every option. But because I'm just generating leads, I only want to count 1 per click. The conversion is how long after the click will still be valid to consider a conversion as a Google Ad conversions. Leave it on 30 days is the default. The view through is the same as the above, but for the impression, not the click, so just 1 day is fine. Include in conversion column, yes. Finally, the attribution model. As you see, there is a lot, but it goes beyond the scope of this tutorial, so let's use the last click that is the simplest. Create and continue. We are going to use Google Tag Manager to install the conversion, so copy and paste this ID and label because we are going to use them. Press next and done to finish the creation. We are ready to install your conversion with Tag Manager. So in Google Tag Manager, we need to create a new trigger because we don't want to trigger the conversion in all pages, just in my thank you page, after the form is sent. So my page path will contain the word thank you because that is my URL after the form. Create. Now we need to create the Google Ads conversion tag. Name it as you like, select the Google Ads conversion type, paste the ID and the label from the Google Ads account, put the value of $5, and finally select our thank you trigger. Now, in the preview mode, we see that no tag is triggered in the contact page. Perfect. But look when we send the data and generate a lead. We are redirected to the thank you page, and there is our Google Ads tag. And as you see, we are in the thank you HTML page. Beautiful. Now publish the tag and we are finished. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. See you on the next video of Everlearn Tutorials. Bye.